Hey there, fellow garden enthusiasts! Welcome to our channel where we dig deep into the world of gardening. Today, we're getting back to basics and exploring the essential tools every gardener needs. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or just starting out, having the right tools can make all the difference in the success and enjoyment of your gardening journey. We'll cover their many uses and some helpful tips and tricks along the way. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get started. First up, we have the trusty hand trowel. Now, this unassuming tool is a true workhorse in the garden. Its pointed blade is perfect for digging those small holes needed for planting seeds or transplanting seedlings. But the hand trowel's versatility doesn't stop there. You'll find it incredibly useful for weeding, especially in tight spaces where a larger tool just won't do. And don't underestimate its strength. A good hand trowel can handle digging in tough soil, too. When choosing a hand trowel, look for one with a comfortable grip and a sturdy blade. A stainless steel blade is a great option because it resists rust and will last for years to come. Remember to clean your hand trowel after each use to prevent the spread of plant diseases, and store it in a dry place to keep it in tip-top shape. Next, let's talk about pruning shears, an essential tool for maintaining the health and appearance of your plants. Pruning shears are designed to make clean cuts on stems and branches, promoting healthy growth and preventing disease. Use your pruning shears to remove any dead or diseased branches you spot on your plants. This is especially important for roses and fruit trees. Regular pruning also helps to shape your plants and encourage bushier growth. When it comes to pruning shears, you have two main types to choose from: bypass shears and anvil shears. Bypass shears, with their scissor-like blades, are ideal for making clean cuts on live branches, while anvil shears are better suited for cutting through dead wood. Just like with your hand trowel, keep those pruning shears clean and sharp for the best results and to protect the health of your garden. The garden fork is all about strength and versatility. Recognizable with its sturdy handle and 4 strong tines. Essential for turning soil, mixing compost, and aerating. Perfect for preparing or amending garden beds. Its tines penetrate tough soil, improving drainage and root growth. In heavy clay soil, it's a lifesaver. Choose a size and weight that's comfortable for you. Fiberglass handles offer durability and shock absorption. Clean your fork after use to prevent disease spread. The watering can is essential for keeping your plants hydrated and happy. It offers more control, especially for delicate seedlings or container plants. Watering cans come in various sizes and styles. Choose a comfortable size and consider a long spout for hanging baskets. Water deeply and less frequently to encourage deep root growth. Aim to water the soil directly to prevent fungal diseases. Empty your watering can after each use to prevent algae and mosquitoes. Thanks for joining us today as we explored these essential gardening tools. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Remember, having the right tools can make all the difference in the world when it comes to creating a thriving and beautiful garden. Now that you're familiar with these must-have tools, it's time to get out there and put your newfound knowledge into practice. Happy gardening, everyone! And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future gardening adventures.